In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Are you feeling lost? Are you searching for guidance? Look no further, for Allah is always near. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos. But remember, Allah is the ultimate source of peace and tranquility. Take a moment to reflect on His blessings. Look around you and see the beauty of His creation. From the smallest flower to the vastness of the sky, everything is a testament to His greatness. In times of difficulty, turn to Allah. Seek His guidance through prayer and supplication. He is always listening, ready to answer your prayers. Remember, Allah's love is unconditional. No matter how many mistakes you've made, He is always ready to forgive. Seek His forgiveness and strive to become a better person. Let go of your worries and trust in Allah's plan. He knows what is best for you, even when you can't see it. Have faith and believe that He will guide you on the right path. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let us strive to strengthen our connection with Allah. Let us seek His guidance and live our lives in accordance with His teachings. May Allah bless us all and grant us success in this life and the hereafter. Ameen.